Today, we will show you how to set up our microgreens pop-up garden. Be sure to read your directions all the way through before planting along. You can sign up for our text messaging service to remind you to water as you grow. Wash your hands and remove all components. In your kit, you will find seeds, a growing pad, tray, base, outer box, and pop-up. Do not throw away the outer box. Soak seeds in water for 4 hours. Pro tip, set a timer on your smartphone to remind you your seeds are done soaking. After the 4 hours have passed, strain your seeds into a vessel and set aside. Saturate your growing pad under a faucet so that it is damp but not dripping. Set in tray, slide tray into base, and close. Use the pop-up as a guide to arrange seeds. Lay pop-up over the base and do not fasten the tabs. Spoon your soaked seeds evenly onto the growing pad through the openings of the pop-up. Use all of the seeds. After, set the pop-up aside. Carefully pour 1/4 cup water into the tray without disrupting the seeds. Keeping the base flat, slide into the outer box and close. Set in a safe spot for 2 days. No peeking. This step is critical for germination and growing flavorful microgreens. After 2 days, remove the base from the outer box. The dome consists of 2 pieces, the base card and the dome. To assemble, unfold the dome, align the colored tabs, and insert into the matching colored slots. Set on top of the base. Keeping the base upright, carefully secure the pop-up onto the base using the tabs on the underside to lock in place. Pro tip, planting with a buddy is always more fun and might help gardeners under 10. Set in a sunny spot and add 3 to 4 tablespoons of water daily. After 7 to 10 days, your microgreens will be ready to harvest. To harvest, cut the stems just above the top of the base. Wash your microgreens and eat immediately after harvesting. Add nutrient-rich microgreens to build up your sandwiches, enhance salads, and top soups with fresh flavors. Show us how you colonize Mars and tag us in your microgreens creations at ModSprout.